Welcome to day 4 May Challenge. Today, we connect the dots between strength and stillness and build from the core. Let's hit the mat. If you sit often, sleep tight, or wake up feeling like your hips forgot how to move, this is your reset button. Start on all fours, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Lift your right knee out to the side. Keep it bent like a dog at a fire hydrant. Lower it with control, repeat for 30 seconds, then switch sides. You're going to feel the glute activation, outer hip tension release, and core stability. This preps your hips to move without stealing power from your lower back, and that's how you protect your spine. Your core will need this control in 30 seconds, don't skip it. Pause at the top, lower slowly. One more rep, slower than the last. Are your hips square, or is your whole torso shifting to help? That just unlocked your glutes. Now let's turn on your core. Now that the hips are stabilized, it's time to wake up the deepest part of your core without a single crunch. Lie flat on your back, arms straight up, knees bent at 90 degrees. Interlace, brace your core like you're preparing for impact. Exhale, extend right leg and left arm out long. Hover, then return to start. Alternate sides. You can feel your core tightening without your back lifting, a deep internal engagement. This reconnects your brain to your core, the coordination center of movement, breath, and strength. This is how babies build strength to crawl. Same nervous system, just optimized for adults now. Go slower, make each rep count. 5 more seconds. Is your lower back pressed into the mat or sneaking upward? That just locked in your core. Now we rise and challenge it. If dead bug is a foundation, bird dog is a performance test. Balance, control, strength. This move reveals what's working and what's faking it. Back to all fours, extend your right arm forward and left leg back. Hips stay level, spine long, core tight. Return to center, switch sides. You're going to feel your full body stabilizing, especially across the core, glutes, and shoulders. This trains cross-body coordination, which improves everything from walking to lifting to carrying your day with better posture. We're about to bring all this core work into a deep open rotation. Hold that reach. Don't move. 5 seconds each side. Are you lifting your leg or extending through your heel? That just synced your chain. Now let's rotate and reveal the gaps. This is where everything gets tested. Ankle mobility, spinal rotation, shoulder stability. You don't need to be perfect, but you do need to feel where you're tight. Stand with feet slightly wider than hips. Sink into a deep squat. Chest up, heels down. Right hand plants on the ground. Left arm reaches high in a T shape. Return and switch sides. Hips open, ankles flex, spine rotates. You can feel your hips open, ankles flex, spine rotating. A full body conversion. This move clears out tightness where it's hiding and builds strength where you're weakest. The stretch also stimulates your mid-back where most of us are locked up from phone posture. Stay deep, don't come out of the squat. 5 more seconds. Are you twisting through your spine or leading with your shoulders? That just freed up your torso. Now let's lengthen the whole back chain. This is the exhale your nervous system's been waiting for. After all that control and activation, this is a release. Stand tall, feet wide, inhale, arms rise. Exhale at the hips and fold forward, reaching for your toes or the mat. Let your head hang. Sway gently side to side. You're going to feel your hamstrings, lower back, and calves all lengthening together. Forward folds calm the nervous system, restore blood flow to the brain, and balance everything we just activated. This is how your body finds peace after movement. And peace is a skill. Can you let go a little more? Slightly bend the knees. Fold deeper. 5 seconds. Are you chasing depth or letting depth come from breath? That just released your back chain. Now you're just mobile, you're grounded. I'll see you tomorrow, day 5 at 6 a.m. PST.